Rayleigh's power method or power method. So this is the one of the method to find the largest eigenvalue or dominant eigenvalue. So given a square matrix, suppose a given square matrix, we first you have to assume the initial eigenvector, so that is column matrix, so that is x naught. So you have to take 1 0 0 or 0 1 0 or 0 0 1 or 1 1 1. So this here complement is there, means that's why here this is a column matrix. So the here is given row is given, but here complement is there, so that complement means, so you have to take column matrix. Note, if initial vector is not given, then normally you have to take 1 0 0. Suppose if it is given the initial vector in the given problem, then you have to take that vector only. Find the largest eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector of the matrix A by the power method. So power method or Rayleigh's power method, both are the same. So find the largest eigenvalue or dominant eigenvalue of the given square matrix. So here square matrix is given 2 0 1 0 2 0 1 0 2. So here in this problem is not given initial vector. So initial vector is not given means you have to take normally you have to take 1 0 0 complement. So complement means this is the column matrix with the initial vector. So first you have to take A x naught. A means square matrix, x naught means initial vector. So what is the given matrix? 2 0 1 0 2 0 1 0 2 into x naught. So x naught means initial vector is not given, you have to take 1 0 0. Normally you have to take 1 0 0. So column matrix. So 1 0 0. Now these two matrix you have to multiply. How to multiply? Row into column. So first row first column means 2 into 1 2 plus second element and second element 0 plus 1 into 0 0. So first row first column is over. Next second row first column, this one you have to write in second row. 0 into 1 0 plus 2 into 0 0 plus 0 into 0 0. Next third row first column. So 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0 plus 2 into 0 0. So next here 2 plus 0 plus 0 2 0 addition 1. So then we will get this matrix 2 0 1. So in this matrix which one is the highest value? So 2 is the highest value. We take 2 outside. So then what to get? 1 0 1 by 2 means 0.5. So this can be written as lambda 1 x1. Lambda 1 is the highest eigenvalue and x1 is the eigenvector. So next A x1. A means given square matrix. X1 means in the first step what to get that answer? 1 0 0.5. So now you have to write here A given matrix and x1. So 1 0 0.5. Same rule. So row into column. So first row first column. So 2 into 1 2 plus 0 plus 1 into 0.5. So that is 0.5. So next second row into first row. So first column. So 0 into 0 0 plus 2 into 0 0 plus 0 into 0.5 0. Next third row into first column. So 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0 plus 2 into 0.5. So that is equal to 1. Add these rows. So 2.5 0 2. So in this matrix which one is the highest value? 2.5 is the highest value. So then we take 2.5 outside. So then what to get? 1 0 2 divided by 2.5, that is 0.8. So here lambda 2 x2. So lambda 2 is the eigenvalue and x2 is the corresponding eigenvector. So next A x2. A means given matrix 2 0 1 0 2 0 1 0 2. X2 means, so here what to get here? Column matrix. So 1 0 0.8. So same rule. So first row first column. So 2 into 1 2 plus 0 plus 1 into 0.8. So that meaning is how to multiply means first row first column is corresponding element, first element, second element, third element, same thing. First row, first column you have to write in first row, next second row into same column. So 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next last row, 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 into 0, 0 plus 2 into 0.8, 1.6. So add 2.8, 0, 1 plus 1.6, 2.6. So now which one is the highest value? 2.8 is the highest value. Take outside. So then 1 plus 0, then 0.93. So this can be written as lambda 3 x3. Lambda 3 is the eigenvalue and x3 is the corresponding eigenvector. So similarly, Ax3. So A is the given matrix, x3 means what to get in previous step, 1, 0, 0.93. You have to write. Same rule, row into column, 2 into 1, 2 plus 0 plus 0.93. Second row, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Next, 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 plus 2 into 0.93, 1.86. So add 2.93, 0, 2.86. So which one is the highest value in this one? Which one is the highest value? So 2.93 is the highest value. So you take 2.93 outside. So then what you get? 0.98. So this can be written as lambda 4 x4. Next step, Ax4. So A is the given matrix, x4 means the previous step, what to get column matrix, that one eigenvector. So same rule, row into column, 2 into 1, 2 plus 0 plus 1 into 0.98, 0.98. Second row, 0, 0, 0. And last row, 1 plus 0 plus 2 into 0.98, 1.96. Add this one, 2.98, 0, 2.96. So in this one is the highest value is what? 2.98. So 2.98 you take outside. So then you will get 0.99. So this is lambda 5 x5. Similarly, you have to write Ax5. A is the given matrix and x5 is the corresponding, means previous step, x5. So 1, 0.99. So you take multiplication, row into column. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 0 plus 0.99. Next second row and that same column. So we'll get 0, 0. And last row, 1 plus 0 plus 2 into 0.99, that is 1.98. So now you have to add here 2.99, 0, so 2.98. So in this one, which one is the highest value? 2.99 is the highest value. You take 2.99 outside. So then 1, 0, so 0.997. So here this can be written as lambda 6 x6. So next, Ax6. Ax6 means here, so A is the given square matrix and x6 is the column matrix in the previous step. You have to write this one. Same rule, row into column. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 0 plus 1 into 0.997, 0.997. Then second row into that same column, that is 0, 0. Next, 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 plus 2 into 0.997. So 1.994. So then we have to add here this values, 2.997, 0, 2.994. So that is equal to, so highest value is which one? 2.997. We take outside. So 1, 0.999. So lambda 7 x7. So now you observe that one. Previous step, lambda value is what? 2.99. Here what is the answer? 2.997. So almost. So previous step and this step is same. So how many stages you have to do like this means? So actually same lambda value what to get in previous step and this step what to get, same thing we have to get. Up to you have to do it. So this is a 6 marks question. So minimum you have to do it 6 or 7. Now you have to stop in this stage. So now the largest eigenvalue is 2.997, or we can written as, so approximately that is 3. So corresponding eigenvector is what? 10.99. So or this can be written as 101. So here we are written a row of the complement is what? Column matrix. So actually 10.999 is there. So we round up and you have to write down 101 that complement. So question is find the largest eigenvalue. The largest eigenvalue lambda is equal to 2.997 or 3 and corresponding eigenvector is 101. This is the answer for this problem. Next, one note is there. What is that note means? Suppose in the given matrix containing negative sign. So then what happen if the negative sign is present means? So for example, in one step, suppose we'll get like this: ax1 is equal to, when you have to multiply given matrix and vector. So what to get? Suppose here 3 minus 4 and 3. So now which one is the highest value? Actually here minus 4 is there, but we are not consider negative value irrespective of the sign. Which one is the highest value? We have to take outside that one. Actually this is highest value is 3, but here minus 4 is there. Minus 4 is a lesser value, but irrespective of sign you have to take the highest value outside. So now you have to take 4 outside, not minus value. 4 we take outside. So 3 by 4 0.75 and 4 by 4 is minus 1. Then 3 by 4 is 0.75. So irrespective of the sign you have to take outside. You have to remember, if the given problem suppose is not given any initial vector, then you have to take 100. Suppose is given, you have to take that initial vector. Next problem. Find the dominant eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector of the matrix. See here, find the dominant eigenvalue or largest eigenvalue or power method. All the three words are same. Sometimes is not given by power method. So here find the dominant eigenvalue. Dominant eigenvalue means power method only. Power method only or Rayleigh's power method. All the three names are same. So here is given matrix 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3 and you have to take here initial eigenvector is 1 1 1 that complement. So previous problem is not given initial vector. So here is given 1 1 1. So complement means that is column matrix. So now you have to take x naught is what is the given, that one only you have to take. If it is not given, which one you have to take? We can take anyone. Anyone means 100, 010 or 001. But is given means you have to take that one only. So same thing for previous problem. So a x naught, a means given matrix 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3 into x naught. X naught is the initial vector. So 1 1 1. So you have to multiply row into column. How to multiply? 6 into 1 6 minus 2 plus 2. So see here I am not written this one all the values. 6 into 1 6 plus into minus 2 plus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled 6. Next minus 2 plus 3 minus 1 then become 0. 2 minus 1 3 then we will get 4. Now which is the highest value here? 6 is the highest value. So we take 6 outside. So then we get 0.67. So this can be written as lambda 1 x1. Similarly, next step a x1. A is the square matrix. X1 is the previous step. What to get? Eigenvector 10.67. So now you have to multiply same first row first column 6 into 1 6 plus 0 plus 2 into 0.67. You take calculator and simplify, then you will get 7.34. Similarly, second row minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 0 minus 0.67. Simplify, we get minus 2.67. Next, last row into that column 2 into 1 2 plus 0 plus 3 into 0.67. That is simplify, we get 4.01. So in this one, which one is the highest value? 7.34. 7.34 we take outside. So what is the remaining? 1 minus 0.36. So 0.55. So here this can be written as lambda 2 x2. So similarly, we have to take next step a x2. A is the given matrix. X2 means what to get previous step column matrix, that one. So 1 minus 0.36 0.55. Same row into column, you have to multiply here. So 6 into 1 minus into minus here plus 2 into 0.36 plus 2 into 0.55. So we will get 7.82. So same thing. So you have to multiply this one, we will get 7.34 minus 2.67, 4.01. So in this one, which one is the highest value? 7.34 is the highest value. You take outside, then we will get 1 minus 0.306 and 0.55. So lambda 2 x3. Similarly, you take ax2. So ax2 same square matrix and x2 means previous one. You have to multiply. So after multiplication, what is the highest value? 7.82. So we take 7.282 outside, then 1 minus 0.46, 0.51. So that can be written as lambda 3 x3. And you have to take ax3. A is the square matrix, x3 means previous step. What to get that one? You have to multiply. How to multiply means you have to take calculator and you have to multiply. Directly you have to multiply. It's not necessary to write in first problem how written like that is not necessary. Directly you have to multiply. Then here, which one is the highest value? 7.94. We take outside. So we take outside, then we will get 1 minus 0.49, 0.5. So this can be written as lambda 4 x4. Next, ax4. A means given square matrix, x4 means so previous column matrix. So same thing you have to multiply, we will get this one. So 7.98 is the highest value, you take outside. So then we will get 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. So this can be written as lambda 5 x5. So similarly ax5. So A is the square matrix, x5 means, so what is the given, what you got that one previous step, that value you have to write 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. So you have to multiply. So we will get 8 minus 4 and 4. So here which one is the highest value? 8 is the highest value. We take 8 outside. So we take 8 outside. What is the meaning of take 8 outside? Means divide by 8. Divide by 8. So 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. So lambda 6 x6. See here, previous step, what is the value for lambda? 7.98. Other previous step 7.94, 7.82. So how many steps you have to go like this? How many steps you have to go outside? So here 7.98 approximately that becomes 8. So this is a 6 marks or 7 marks question. So actually this value, same value you have to repeat. Same value is not repeats. So minimum you have to take 6 to 7 here. So you have to take up to 5. So therefore highest value, eigen value is 8 and corresponding eigen vector is 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. So therefore here how to write the answer? Thus the dominant eigen value is 8 and corresponding eigen vector is so 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. Next problem. Find the largest eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector of the matrix A by using the power method by taking initial vector 1, 1, 1 transpose. So transpose means column matrix. So here is given matrix, square matrix 2, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 2. So same thing. So in what is the initial vector? What is the given that vector you have to take? Suppose is not given means we can take 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 or 0, 0, 1. So normally you have to take, if it is not given means 1, 0, 0. Why to take 1, 0, 0? So because when you have to multiplication 1, 0, 0, last two values that become 0. So that's why we generally we have to consider 1, 0, 0. But this problem is given 1, 1, 1. So same thing, you have to take A x naught. A is a given matrix and x naught is the initial vector 1, 1, 1. So same rule, row into column. So 2 into 1, 2, minus 1 plus 0. So what we get? 2 minus 1, that is 1. Next, minus 1, 2, 1. So what we get after addition? We will get 0. Next, last row. So 0 into 1, 0, minus 1 plus 2. So that is 1. So largest eigenvalue. Here 1, 1 is there, same value is there. Which one is the largest? So that is 1 only. Suppose 2, 0, 2 is there, largest is 2, like that only. two values are same or three values are same is there, largest is also that one, lowest is there here 0, but same value is there, largest is 1. You take outside, then we get 1 0 1. So now this can be written as lambda 1 x1. Same thing, a x1, a means given matrix, x1 means what we get in the previous step, x1, that one you have to write 1 0 1. Same, row into column, row 2 into 1 2, minus into 0 0 plus 0, so we'll get 2. Next, second row, first column, minus 1 0 minus 1, then it becomes minus 2. Last row into column 0 0 2. So now here all the three values are same, with minus sign is there, one is, so highest value is 2, so then we'll get 1 minus 1 1. So then this can be written as lambda 2 x2. Similarly, a x2, a is the given matrix, x2 means previous step, what we get, 1 minus 1 1. Same rule, multiplication. What is the multiplication rule? Row into column, 2 into 1 2, minus 1 plus 0. So here not minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, so 2 plus 1 3. Next, second row, first column, minus 1 minus 2 minus 1, so then we'll get minus 4. Last row into same column, 0 minus into minus plus 1 2, so 2 plus 1 3. So here 3 minus 4 3 is there. Actually highest value is 3 because minus 4 is there, but we are not considered like that. So irrespective of the sign, you have to take highest value. So that's why 4 is the highest value. Minus 4, actually minus 4 is the lesser value, but irrespective of the sign, you have to take in this dominant eigenvalue. So you have to take 4 outside. So then 3 by 4, 0.75, 4 by 4 minus 1, 3 by 4, 0.75. So therefore this can be written as lambda 3 x3. Similarly, a x3, a is the given matrix, x3 is the previous step, what to get eigenvector. So 0.75 minus 1, 0.75. Same thing, you have to multiply row into column. So this numbers directly is not possible to tell. So take calculator and you have to simplify. You have to practice, otherwise it's not possible. So then what you get, 2.5 minus 3.5, 2.5. So irrespective of the sign, you only have to take. So which one is the highest value? 3.5 is the highest value. So 3.5 we take outside means 2.5 by 3.5, 0.71. So 3.5 by 3.5 minus 1. 2.5 by 3.5, 0.71. So this can be written as lambda 4 x4. Next, a x4. A is the given matrix and x4 is the previous step, what we get, eigenvector. So 0.71 minus 1, 0.71. Same rule, row into column. We multiply, we'll get these values. So in this one, which one is the highest value? 3.42. So we have to divide by 3.42. What we get? 0.708 minus 1, 0.708. So this can be written as lambda 5 x5. Next, a x5. So a is given matrix. x5 means previous column vector. So what to get that answer? So then same rule, you have to multiply row into column. We will get these values. So from this one, which one is the highest value? 3.416. So then you have to divide from that one, what to get? 0.7073, then minus 1, 0.7073. So that is lambda 6 x6. So next you have to take a x6. A is the given matrix and x6 is the previous column matrix. So you have to multiply these two matrices. So we will get these values. So from these values, which one is the highest value? 3.4146. So we take outside, then we get 0.701 minus 1, 0.7071. So lambda 7 x7. So now eigenvalue 3.4146. So previous step, what we get here? 3.416. See, 3.416 and here also 3.416. So same, or if not same also, but you have to take minimum 5 to 6. Actually same value you have to repeat, up to you have to do, but is not repeat point something change is there, so then we can stop in this stage. So therefore here you have to write the largest eigenvalue is what? 3.416, and the corresponding eigenvector is, so what is that one you have to write 0.701 minus 1, 0.701. So here you have to return in row that complement. T means transpose means complement. So this is the answer for this problem.